like the chow. Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
Look at that. Look how tender that is.
Alright, I got this.
Really good. I'm trying to get mine.
Thank you so much.
Switch it up here a little bit.
Daddy serving up the wagyu.
Ideal skills wasn't smaller than that.
He took my apron with him. Yeah, buddy.
I can get him over there. Hey, where is he? Where is he? Right over here. You want to have him come over here?
Sean.
Yo, on the other side. Have him come over here.
Yup.
Get up here. That's cool. Keep over here.
You right, Sean?
Good at catching. Oh, I don't want to hit. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Ready? He's up. Oh! Eminem! Hefty Eminem!
The wagyu. Okay. I mean, I grab it one time.
I'm gonna get that.
Big game. Yo, what up? Oh,
Dad, is that the egg?
Nothing about wagyu.
Let's go. You fucking know. Let's go.
Yeah, thank you.
Time to work. Spatchcock, quail, Campo Grande. It's a quail leg, mezcal marinade.
Oh my God. One of the best things I've ever had, man.
Nice little bougie barbecue bite.
Work took us out somewhere and they had the whole one for it.
Boss, how do I buy him some chicken? He said
a stolen over.
Oh yeah, it's time to.
Phosphoro, mezcal, and lime. Here we go. That's not a bad little tailgate bite.
Oh, hell no. Yeah, that's good. E-A-D-L-E-S Eagles!
your side down? Good.
Hell yeah! Yeah!
All right, come with me. Got my friends at Valor Provisions, work with Little Belt Cattle Company. We got some of these. We got some of these wagyu beef ribeyes. We're gonna get these all on, here, come with me, come with me, come with me. We're gonna get these all on the Rec Tech. We're at about 275. We're gonna smoke these and then we're gonna fire them up either on the Nomad or over on the Fuego. Who knows? We haven't decided yet. We'll see how it goes.
Hey, legend right here, you hear me? If y'all don't catch it on TV, I'm trying to tell you.
What? Right there now. Andrew! I don't know.
No birds, baby.
What?
Her name is Maxine. If I ever tell you about Maxine.
Boom. Oh, that's your best flight right there.
There you go.
Yo, we turned him into an Eagle spin.
Oh, yeah.
E-A-G-L-E-S, Eagle.
Yeah, you got it. I'll fix that. Yeah, yes. My buddy Don knows that one. Yeah. I'll see ya.
Legit, yeah!
Beals Lobster Pound in Maine, direct to Philly, and then we're doing a spinach and lobster cream sauce. Tailgate, people. NFC Championship game. We're coming to New Orleans, baby. Put them on their head. That's the trick. Go to sleep.
Oh my god. I can
Oh my God.
Holy shit. Best tailgate ever, girl.
Fly, Eagles, fly, baby! That's the smoked lobster. Take the tail. Twist. Art, that you get that.
Look at that, look, Steve!
I'm official taste tester.
Get it, Cafe! Yeah!
No.
cowboy shit I like right here.
Straight from Montana. Now, it is lobster cream sauce. Yeah! Putting these indirect on the chud box.
Taste test again.
Yes! Yes!
Let's go, bring it over.
Put it on a sandwich, put it on everything.
All right,